if I click on this level, here you can see some of the things. First is this tick option. So what this tick option does, if I untick this, this ground floor will be hidden from here. So let me untick this. You can see that is hidden from here, right? So if you click on this button, that will show at this point, right? So here again, if you go to here, right, at this point again you can see that tick option. If you tick this bubble, here you will see the same ground floor written over here with this. So click on this point, you can see here it is ground floor and the distance, right? That is the first option related to this tick button. The next thing here we have, that is editable, that is this lock button, right? What this lock button means, it is locked here, right? If I unlock this, so first let me keep it as locked only, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to untick these buttons, all these buttons, so I can see this written on one side only, right? So after that, I'm clicking on this button, right? Here it is showing me a tracking line up to the topmost level, right? If I try to drag it like this, right? Here you can see all these lengths are changing simultaneously, right? If I try to drag this or shorten this length like this, you can see all these things are moving simultaneously, right? If I untick this or unlock this button from here, after that, if I drag it now, I can move my this ground floor level individually, right? Here you can see this is moving individually, right? Even if I click it, drag it like this, align it here, right? You can see I have moved this individually after unlocking it. So that is the option available in unlocking. Now it is locked. If I drag it from here, all these will move together, right? Same setting is here. Here you can see the same lock, same tick box, right? In this way, you can change this setting, right? One more thing, let's suppose I have unlocked this, right? And I have moved this to a certain distance, right? Now, if I go to my any other of elevation view, let's say I am moving to my south elevation. So in this south elevation, you will see the different things, right? Since we have changed some of the things in the north elevation, so all these settings are changed in this as well, right? In this east elevation, you will see these things, right? In west, this will appear same. Since we have made changes in this north elevation only, so we can see the same changes in south as well, right? Like this. Let me close this elevation, go to north elevation again, click here and drag it to this one, right? Here you can see all these labels, right? So this is some of the settings here we had that is related to this lock button, this tick box, and here we have this button, right? All these things are editable from here.